What is up, YouTube? This is just a quick recap video of my trip to Frankensons on Saturday. These cards are all for my PC, so they are not for trade or for sale. I'm very sorry. So I'll just start off with the cards in alphabetical order by their first name. So first, this Derrick Rose on the jersey piece auto. This is his rookie card. I don't know if you can see it, but it says rookie right there, and it's numbered out of 50 from 08-09 UD Black. Very sick card, and it came in a magnetic that says rookie card, so I thought that was really cool. Next, this Kevin Durant, Jeff Green on card rookie autograph from 07-08 Ultimate Collection, numbered to 25. Really sweet card. Next, I got this Kobe Bryant Prestigious Pros on card jersey autograph from 2009 Prestige, numbered 39 out of 100. Very sweet card. Next, I got this really sick limited trios autographs of Kobe Bryant, Lamar Odom, and Pau Gasol from this year's limited. One of my favorite cards. 49 of 49, eBay 1 of 1. Next, I got this sick 3-color patch auto of Kobe Bryant from Gold Standard. Very sick. Numbered 1 of 24. eBay 1 of 1. Next, definitely one of my favorites and probably my best auto of him thus far. Kobe Bryant, Kevin Garnett dual autograph from UD Black, numbered 415. Probably can't see that, but it's 415. Next, I saved the best card for last. Michael Jordan on card autograph from 03-04 SP Signature Edition. Just a great autograph, and it's not numbered, but it's still a great card, and it's by the greatest player to ever play the game, so that's awesome. So to recap, I got UD Black autograph of Kevin Garnett and Kobe Bryant, patch auto of Kobe Bryant, triple auto of Pau Gasol, Lamar Odom, and Kobe Bryant, jersey autograph of Kobe Bryant, dual autograph of Kevin Durant, Jeff Green, and rookie autograph of Derrick Rose. So tell me what you think, and peace.